limit amount of time you spend to use a specific app within a day in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, go to app screen. Find the desired app you like to limit its usage. To find it quickly, tap the search and then type the app name. Now long tap the app icon and then select app info, tap screen time and then tap add timer. Now select the days when this app can be used. As the example, we will set it to every day. And then set the duration. As the example, we will set it to 30 minutes. Tap done button. By doing this, now this app can only be used every day for 30 minutes. When the duration is over, you will be notified and the app icon will be grayed out. However, if you like to use this app more, you need to adjust the duration in the app timer. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.